Alright, I just want to share this quick video. Basically, these flag patterns in the market today. And of course, I missed one. I missed a couple plays, for the simple fact that there was quite a few plays running this morning. So, with that being said, it's easy to miss moves, because there's so many plays at one time. However, this is OSN, and as you can see on this day, she ran to 890, so she is known for making big moves. Alright, and if we go to the 5 minute, you can see she gapped up. This is the 5 minute chart. You can see she gapped up pretty huge during pre-market. About, damn, over 100%. Over 100%. She pulled back, and then she didn't really panic too much out the gate. She pulled back 550, came up, and it looked like she was basically rolling over, and then she came back and curled around, broke that pre-market level, continued to run up, and then basically faded off or sold off. So, first pattern was on the 1 minute. Was on the 1 minute chart, and if we look, on the 1 minute, and it was right here. And this is where I got in actually. As it curled up, came to 650, right? So it's holding VWAP. It pulls back, but as you can see, what we have here, just a slight downtrend, alright, with higher lows. So we have a wedge or a flag right there, just below the break of 650, right here. So make this a little bigger. We'll go ahead, that way we can really see it. And there's 650 right here. So basically it breaks this flag just below 650. It catches the next leg up, and it opens just below 650 for the break. And what I did was, I don't know, I really wasn't feeling it, but I did like the setup. Holding VWAP, going for the next leg up. Pattern was there. So if you look, I bought just below the break of 650 and sold right away into the pop, just for a small profit. I think I only took 700 shares. I've already missed a couple plays at this point. Really wasn't feeling it, but if you go back on the video there I had it marked. And if we go back, let's see. Hit play, and you can see right here, right where I bought, right, and how quick I sold. I mean, as soon as it popped, as soon as I seen green numbers on the P&L, I basically sold. I thought I was up 70, but after I saw my position, it plus 56 for the day paper. So here we go. Watch, once this thing, you can see, you have right here the wedge, the flag pattern, held VWAP. Now watch when the green prints come in, boom, I'm in, boom, I'm out. Just like that. Bought that bull just for the break, sold into the quick pop, scalped it. Only 700 shares for a quick 56 bucks. So that's that. Now the other pattern we had, was very, very nice on the 5 minute chart. This is the one that I don't know, I just felt kind of sketchy. I was in, man, and that's the thing. I missed it. I wasn't quick enough, but this was setting up for a while. Pure nailed this one. And this was on the 5-minute chart. So let's get rid of that. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just give me 1 second. And on the 5-minute chart, here it is on the 5-minute. I mean, this was just basically golden. Right there. On the 5-minute. Come on. Just like that. 5-minute setup. Guess where it opened? So it broke this previous red candle. Guess where it opened? 650 for the push to 7. That's a 50-cent move. Okay, and that's a beautiful setup, you know. So I missed that one. And if you look at the 1 minute, and there it is. I mean, look at this. I mean, look at this. Beautiful. Even on the 1 minute, look at that. Just like that. Didn't mean to do that. Beautiful. I mean, look how clean. Like I said, just before it ripped, it held 650. I mean, that was confirmation right there. I'm going to show the video real quick, just so you can see how quick this thing ripped. Even if you would have been a little late, you still would have profited. Because after this thing ripped, right? You know, say you wanted confirmation and you wanted to see the green prints come in. At that point, you'd have been a little late. However, if you were scalping, it's okay because you have that added confirmation that the green prints came in, this thing's ripping, and you could have still made a profit even if you were a little late. But you know, I thought I was too late because it made such a nice move up. But even then, I could have locked in some profit if I would have just jumped in after the green prints and then sold into the quick pop, because this thing had a nice little move to it. But I'll play the video real quick and let you see. I believe it's right. Alright, so here's a 5-minute chart, right? And here's the 1-minute chart. So watch this beautiful, lovely move. If I could ever find it. Oh, okay, it's not here yet. Alright, here it is. Look where this candle opens up. Okay, so you have the move right here. Here's the trend line going all the way down, right? Here's the flag on the 5-minute. You even have it on the 1-minute as well. This next candle opens up at 650. So basically, it really needs to hold that area. And I'm going to go ahead and hit play. I want to say it's the next candle that rips. So after this holds 750, after this candle holds 650, I want to say, okay, this is the 5-minute candle that rips. But however, it opens right at 650. I mean, and then pushes and you know, breaks the flag, pushes a $7. So I'm gonna pause it when the green prints come in. You know, say you wanted to wait for added confirmation, green prints to come in, you'd have been a little late. However, I'm gonna pause it at that point just to show that this thing can still continue to run just a bit even after that. So, but here we go. There's no wall of sellers. Everything's looking lovely, as you can see. Volume's starting to come in. I'm going to pause it when the green prints come in, but this thing happens so fast. But even then, alright, look at the volume. Green prints. Speed on the tape. Here we go. Green prints. I'm going to go ahead and pause it once that happens. And here's the red. Bam. See the green prints. So even then, if you would have got in at 675, right? 675, of course you would have wanted to get in around here, anticipating the break, you know. But say you would have got in here, and if Red Prince would have came in, you know, it's a break or bell mentality at this point. Say you're waiting for confirmation. But look what happens. 675, right? Look at the level 2 on the bid. Already up to, look at that, already up to 696. I mean, it's 20-cent move, even if you were late on this move. So, but yeah, I just wanted to share that. Crazy moves today. Those are very nice patterns and very nice setups. Like I said, look at these half and whole dollar areas. You know, this one was for the break of 650, right? So, you know, that's a magnet area, and then when it opens up just below the break of 650, as it breaks this flag, I mean, that's a nice move, especially considering, you know, it held VWAP. And then this one right here, as you can see, held 650 before it broke, and then pushed to 7. So, I mean, these are definitely good setups, and I just wanted to share my thoughts on those. And yeah, I totally missed this move right here. But yeah, definitely a nice play.